Batman is more than just a symbol of justice. He's the epitome of peak physical and mental performance. Behind the cape and cowl lies Bruce Wayne, a man who has sculpted his body and mind through rigorous training and discipline. But Batman's prowess isn't only the result of his relentless workout regime, it's also deeply rooted in his diet. In this video, we'll explore what it would take to fuel your body like Batman, helping you achieve your own peak performance, so watch it till the end if you want to be like Batman. 1. The foundation of peak performance: nutrition. To operate at his best, Batman needs a diet that powers him through long nights and intense physical confrontations. Nutrition is the cornerstone of this peak performance, influencing his strength, stamina, and mental acuity. Balanced macronutrients. A key element of the Batman diet is striking the right balance of macronutrients: proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Proteins are essential for muscle repair and growth. Fats provide sustained energy and support cognitive function, and carbohydrates supply the quick energy needed during high-intensity pursuits. Micronutrient-rich. Beyond macronutrients, Batman's diet is packed with vitamins and minerals. These micronutrients play a vital role in various bodily functions, such as immune response, muscle contraction, and brain health. Hydration. Hydration is crucial for maintaining Batman's physical and mental performance. Dehydration can lead to diminished strength, endurance, and cognitive sharpness, all of which Batman cannot afford to lose. 2. Protein. Building and repairing the body. Batman's muscular physique is a testament to his commitment to protein-rich foods that aid in muscle repair and growth. High-quality protein sources. Batman's diet would include lean proteins like chicken, turkey, fish, and plant-based sources like tofu and lentils. These provide the necessary amino acids for muscle maintenance and growth without adding unnecessary fats. Protein timing. Batman likely consumes protein throughout the day, especially after intense training sessions, ensuring continuous muscle repair and recovery. Variety is key. A diverse protein intake ensures that Batman's body gets a full spectrum of amino acids, the building blocks of muscle, and supports overall health. 3. Fats. Sustained energy and cognitive health. Fats are essential in Batman's diet, providing long-lasting energy and supporting brain function, which are crucial for his prolonged activities. Healthy fats. Batman would focus on sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. These fats offer sustained energy and are vital for brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s found in fatty fish and supplements like fish oil are particularly important for reducing inflammation and supporting cognitive function. For Batman, whose body endures constant physical stress, these fats are indispensable. Quality over quantity. While fats are vital, Batman would consume them in moderation, choosing high-quality sources to avoid the detrimental effects of unhealthy fats found in processed foods. 4. Carbohydrates. Quick energy for high-intensity action. Batman's need for quick energy during intense physical activity makes carbohydrates a crucial component of his diet. Complex carbohydrates. To maintain energy throughout his nightly missions, Batman would consume complex carbs like whole grains, sweet potatoes, and brown rice. These foods release energy slowly, providing sustained fuel. Timing matters. Batman would likely consume more carbohydrates before and after intense physical activity. Pre-workout carbs fuel his performance, while post-workout carbs help replenish glycogen stores for recovery. Low glycemic index. To avoid spikes in blood sugar, Batman would focus on low glycemic index foods, ensuring a steady energy release without the risk of energy crashes. 5. Micronutrients. The small giants of performance. Though often overlooked, micronutrients are critical to Batman's overall performance. They support everything from muscle function to cognitive clarity. Iron. Iron is essential for oxygen transport in the blood, crucial for maintaining stamina and endurance. Batman's diet would include iron-rich foods like red meat, spinach, and legumes to keep his energy levels up. Vitamin D, essential for bone health and immune support. Vitamin D can be obtained from sun exposure, fortified foods, and supplements. Antioxidants. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, dark chocolate, and green leafy vegetables, would be key in Batman's diet. These nutrients help reduce oxidative stress, aiding recovery after intense physical exertion. 6. Hydration, essential for endurance. Proper hydration is fundamental to Batman's ability to perform at his peak. Water is essential for muscle function, joint lubrication, and mental clarity. Constant hydration. Batman would drink plenty of water throughout the day. Depending on his level of activity, he might also use electrolyte-enhanced drinks to replenish lost minerals, especially after workouts or long nights. Strategic hydration. Batman would approach hydration strategically, ensuring he's properly hydrated before, during, and after physical activity. Hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges could also supplement his water intake. 7. The role of supplements. While whole foods are the foundation of Batman's diet, supplements can help fill any gaps, especially when his schedule is demanding. Protein supplements. Batman might use protein powders or bars to meet his high protein needs, particularly after workouts to boost recovery. Omega-3 supplements. If Batman isn't getting enough omega-3s from his diet, fish oil supplements could help reduce inflammation and support brain function. Multivitamins. A high-quality multivitamin could ensure Batman receives all the essential vitamins and minerals needed for optimal performance. Creatine. To enhance muscle strength and power, Batman might use creatine, particularly during periods of intense training. 8. A day in the life. The Batman diet in practice. Let's visualize what a typical day on the Batman diet might look like. Breakfast. Batman might start his day with a protein-rich omelet made from eggs, spinach, tomatoes, and a side of avocado. This meal provides a balance of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. Mid-morning snack. A protein shake with added berries and a handful of nuts keeps Batman's energy stable and supports muscle recovery. Lunch. Grilled chicken breast with quinoa and steamed broccoli offers a mix of protein, complex carbohydrates, and micronutrients to sustain his energy. Afternoon snack. Greek yogurt with chia seeds and a banana provides additional protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Dinner. Baked salmon with sweet potato and sautéed kale delivers a perfect balance of protein, fats, and carbs, along with essential vitamins and minerals. Post-workout. A protein shake mixed with water and a piece of fruit helps replenish glycogen stores and support muscle recovery. Hydration. Throughout the day, Batman would ensure he stays hydrated, supplementing with electrolyte drinks during or after workouts as needed. 9. The mental edge. Nutrition and cognitive performance. Batman's diet is as much about mental sharpness as it is about physical prowess. His nutrition would include foods that boost cognitive function and maintain mental clarity. Brain-boosting foods. Foods like fatty fish, nuts, seeds, dark chocolate, and berries enhance brain function and keep Batman focused during complex tasks. Caffeine and theanine. Batman might use a combination of caffeine and L-theanine to improve focus without the jitteriness of caffeine alone. This combo is known to improve attention and reaction time. Adaptogens. Herbs like ashwagandha and rhodiola could help Batman manage stress and maintain peak mental performance during long, demanding nights. Conclusion: the Batman diet for everyday heroes. While you might not be fighting crime in Gotham, adopting the principles of the Batman diet can help you reach your own peak physical and mental performance. By focusing on a balanced intake of macronutrients, ensuring your diet is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, and staying properly hydrated, you can fuel your body to tackle the challenges of everyday life with the same intensity and determination as the Dark Knight. The Batman diet isn't just about what you eat. It's about making intentional choices that support your goals, discipline, and overall well-being. Whether you're training for a marathon, working on a challenging project, or simply aiming to improve your health, the Batman diet offers a blueprint for achieving peak performance. Subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until next time.